If you are planning to travel to UAE, note that the Abu Dhabi-based Etihad Airways has recently updated COVID-related travel rules and announced to issue visas on arrival for passengers arriving from 70 countries including the US, China, Maldives, France, UK and Russia among others. According to a news report in the Siyasat Daily, Etihad said that travelers can enter Abu Dhabi if they are citizens or residents of the United Arab Emirates, or if they qualify for a visa on arrival. The news report suggested that the travelers from the 70 countries do not need to apply for a visa before traveling to UAE. When you land in Abu Dhabi, simply make your way to immigration to receive a visa when you arrive, said Etihad. Andorra, Argentina, Australia, Austria, Bahamas, Barbados, Belgium, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Honduras, Hong Kong, Son of China, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Kazakhstan, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Maldives, Malta, Mexico, Monaco, Montenegro, Nauru, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, People's Republic of China, Peru, Poland, Republic of Mauritius, Republic of El Salvador, Portugal, Romania, Russian, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, San Marino, Serbia, Seychelles, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Solomon, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, the Vatican, Ukraine, United Kingdom, United States of America, and Uruguay. Travelers from India will only be allowed to enter UAE if they are citizen, golden or silver visa holder or diplomat. Fully vaccinated resident of the UAE. You must have proof of having received both doses of the COVID-19 vaccine within the UAE no less than 14 days before travel. Medical personnel, education sector workers, or students studying in the UAE. Traveling for medical reasons. A federal government agency worker. However, Indian nationals holding a US visitor visa or green card are eligible to obtain a visa on arrival in Abu Dhabi. This also applies to Indian nationals who have UK or EU residency valid for at least 6 months. Their passports must be valid for at least 6 months. Also, please keep in mind that if you are a visitor traveling to Dubai via Abu Dhabi, your visa must be issued for Abu Dhabi, unless you are entering from a green list country.